A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to handwriting session 4. So we have seen the lines and the strokes in the previous classes. We have seen the alphabet that touch only the two lines, that is the waistline and the baseline. And yesterday we have seen the three lines, ascender, waist and the baseline. So these are the letters that touch the three lines, ascender, waist and the baseline. Okay, so these are the 6 letters B, D, H, K, L, T. So these are the letters that touch only the 3 lines. Okay, see, I have written all the letters that touch the 3 lines only. Okay, so the first line will be called as ascender, the second line will be called as waistline, third line will be called as baseline, and the fourth one, the last one, will be called as descender line. Okay, so today we are going to see the letters that touch the 3 lines, that is waist, base and descender line. Okay, so see, I am going to start the letter G. See, the letter G that touches the 3 lines, waistline, baseline, descender line. Okay, so this letter touches the 3 line. Then after G, the letter F. See, I have used the slanting line here and a clockwise loop here, then downward slant, again over curve, again clockwise loop, again a over curve. Okay, so see, I have used all the strokes here. Then after G, F, you can write J. So the letter J is also touches the 3 lines including the descender line. Okay, then after this you can write the letter P. The letter P. See, I have used the slant here and downward slant. See, this line touches the descender line, then after a curve, then again slant. Then after this you can write the letter Q. So see, when you write any letter, you have to start from here, the baseline. Okay, so that is the base for all the letters. So that it is called as baseline. Okay, the third line. And you can write the letter Y. Okay, Y. So see, I have started here. Then after the letter J. So see, these 7 letters are touching the waistline, baseline, descender line. Okay, so first we have seen the letters that touch only the 2 lines, then after the 3 lines, then after we have seen the letters that touch the 3 lines including the descender line. Okay, so these are the alphabet that touch the 4 lines. Okay, so today you practice. I hope that you will practice well all the letters. Okay, practice well all the alphabet. In the next class you will be learning the upper cases. Okay, thank you.